It's Miss Tamnia and Miss Brittany again. Today we're going to talk about a little bit of science things. So in my hand I have a living thing and a non-living sheet. And let's review what living things are. Living things move, grow, eat and drink, and need shelter, and have children. Non-living things do not eat or drink, they do not move on their own, they do not grow on their own, and they do not have children at all. And we'll review a little bit more with Miss Brittany.
So guys, I have some things here and I want to be able to determine are they living or non-living, right? Because we know the difference between the two. So let's see, let's start with our baby here, okay? Does a baby grow, need air, need food, need to have shelter, and eventually will grow to have babies? Yes. So this will be considered a living thing. I'm sorry, guys. This is a living thing. Just like in comparison, what about this plastic cup that we drink from? Now, can this grow? Does this need air? Does it reproduce and make babies? No, it doesn't. We just use it to drink from. So this would be considered non-living. What about some salad? It's so yummy, right? But does it grow? Does it need air and water? No, we just use it to nourish our body. So salad is considered non-living. What about the zebra? The zebra that we can see at the zoo, right? Does the zebra grow and have zebra babies and need shelter, like a place to live? Yes, just like humans. So zebras are also living things, okay? Now what about this apple? This is a tricky one, huh? Okay, so does an apple grow? Does it reproduce? Now we're gonna learn about plants and things next week, but some people may consider an apple a living thing because it starts as a plant, and plants are also living things because they start as seeds and then they grow into a full plant. So some people may consider this living, although we can eat it and it doesn't necessarily need shelter. But when we put it as a seed and it grows and it drinks the water and it eats the soil, it is considered a living thing, okay? Last but not least, our teapot here, okay? We know that we can put tea in, have some yummy tea, but does a teapot grow? Does a teapot need air? Does it reproduce? No, it doesn't. So this would be a non-living thing. So we know the difference, right? Living things grow, they need nutrients, they need shelter and air, but non-living things don't need any of these things. They just exist and they do not actually live, okay? So that is the difference between living and non-living things, okay?
And here are more samples that I have of living things.
More pictures we can compare.
Yeah, we have beautiful flowers. Flowers are living things. Fishies, human, we're all living things, and butterflies because they have a life cycle, and mushrooms grow, and are also our pets. So those are samples of living things. Non-living quickly, cars. Cars don't grow. Rulers, they don't grow. They don't need water. They don't need shelter. A cup, a hose, a pot, a light bulb, a computer, and books. Those are some samples. So I hope you can look around your house and see what you can find that is living and non-living. See you next time. Bye-bye.